Welcome back. Lucid Motors technicals to watch from here. So stock today is down 6.5%. Well, and also the overall market pressure has gone to this EV sector and taken the whole EV sector down as well. I don't think there's an EV sector, but I'm just saying that EV stocks today and late yesterday afternoon, they pulled back quite a bit. So let's have a look at Lucid at the moment. There are other EV names are down significantly as well, but I was watching this name closely for a possible breakout. And even when market was going crazy a couple days ago, well, relatively it was strong, but now below that $50 support, and now what to watch from here. So I think if a lot of stop losses are going to get triggered, then this stock can easily sell off more because, well, there are a lot of people panicking at the moment, and when stocks go down, they go down like this very fast. But it has done it. It has recovered here as well. It was pretty nasty, dropped 20% from top. It has done it here. So it could be another pullback, but if you look at on this chart, there's a blue line right here, 20-day moving average. All these pullbacks occurred when stock was above this level, and now it's below 20-day, and also it's 50-day moving average up down here at 35. So from here, if it starts declining more, I would watch this level as a support, which is $41, $42 level. And then even if that level doesn't hold, I believe this 50-day simple moving average is a good level of a support for the stock. And I'm not sure if it's going to get there how soon, but if you look at the MACD, let's take a look at that. Well, we got that bearish crossover finally. So last time when I made a video, well, it was trying to bounce back above, and then last 3 days so far, it's negative, and we finally got that basically bearish crossover. So you want to be careful, or if you have long-term shares, well, maybe it's time to hedge it and go grab some protection with options, with put options. Again, it's not an advice, it's just something I would do if I would not sell my position, if I didn't want to sell my position, but at the same time protected from short-term volatility. Well, that's what I would do. Also, another thing I don't like at the moment as a bullish trade, maybe, that its stock is below 5-day moving average. So if you look at this blue line right here on my chart, well, every time stock is above that blue line, well, that's a 5-day simple moving average. You can be bullish, but the moment it slips below, that's the shortest term indication that, okay, momentum is slowing. Momentum is not to the upside anymore, so you need to be cautious at least. So it's below that, and today that level acted as a resistance for the stock when it tried to go higher in the morning, which was 51.70, I believe. So also option activity. Let's take a look at the stats. Today so far, same amount of calls and puts were traded, and I believe the reason why is that, well, the put buyers maybe are naked put buyers, and the calls are mainly people who are maybe selling covered calls, because just like you can, that's another way of collecting a little bit of a premium. If you think that stock is not gonna reach, let's say by next year, January, $80 levels or $75 levels or 80, you can sell these calls and keep the shares. I do believe that's what people are doing here. And for the puts, there are a lot of December 10th 45 puts, and there are some even 2250 puts for January 2021, 2022 actually, and there are a lot of them. So a lot of 38 puts as well came in today. So just by looking at this order flow, I can say, well, yeah, option market, even though the put and call ratio is the same, looks a little bit more bearish than bullish. So that's the update for Lucid Motors. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, like the video. See you in the next one.